Now we are going to customize our reset page. In a previous video, we have just customized our email. So when we give our link of email, the page will be redirected to our reset page where we will give our email address, password, and new password. So we will let's customize this. We cannot show the layout of this page right now because we have not set our email configuration. So when we can configure our DB and set our email address, we have when we have created our user, so definitely we will show you the reset. Now the first is customizing the temp layout part. So the same is that we have done in a previous video for login registration email, and we will do it for reset. So layout is our auth app, and content is auth content, and mm, so we will not require the container. We will have to remove it container, and also the row, move the row. So and where is our email? So we will require column small, and let's change our all MD to small. Okay, we will not require the card and card body. So remove it, and also the card body. And let's open our form. And let's give the call small offset to, and register custom class register top login, and let's change it to CSRF field, and we will set the form class same as we did our other pages. So form horizontal register container and TB padding. Okay, and remove input type hidden. So the token will be given. Okay, div class row. Under the paste it reset password, farm group, column small 12, so reset password. So remove these rows, And okay, also remove this text align, text small right. So farm group label farm email, column small 4, and column farm label. And let's add our own email address. Also remove this error, and from here password, and confirm password. You can use it. This is the Laravel, a new feature in previous releases 5.4 and 3. There is no you can use custom text like this. So it's depend on you can use as blitz syntax or your own which is so I am comfortable with this. Confirm password. Okay, column small 6, email class farm control, name email value is old email required. If error has email, so show your error, and label farm password column small 4, and control label, not a control label, we can set it to farm control label, farm control label. Okay, and one thing is to help block, help block. Farm group password, farm control label password, password and error. So farm group password confirm column small 4, farm control label, input password confirm, and the button farm group, remove this one, column small 6, column offset small 4, or we can use it our own, call small 4, or column small offset 4. Not 4, column small, what do we set it here, column small 12. Okay, let's remove it and change it to our button 12, and button danger, button block, and reset password. So button div farm and div. So that's all from our password reset. So layouts auth app, auth content, and we are using a div offset to register top login. So when we configure our user, we will put some data in user, and we will check our by sending email to confirm password. And also the error has not been shown in our farm group, so we will add our error list when we do our errors. So that's all.